In this video, I'll show you how to get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. And just right off the bat, I want you to see that I am in sandbox mode, which test mode, right? And you'll see on the right hand side of the screen is switch to live account. Now the process is going to be the same, but depending on if I'm on sandbox or live will depend on what API keys I'm going to get. So we're going to go over to the developer section, and that's at the bottom left of the screen. Click on that and then click on API keys. And in here, immediately you will be presented with some test keys. You'll see they are marked PK test, SK test. And we can copy these, we can rotate keys if we want to. But the goal of this video was just to show you where to get them. And of course, I don't have a live account. But if you click on the top right, switch to live account, then you'll have access to your live publishable and your live secret key. And that is pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.